Hello, welcome to your learning spot. Today we are going to start with a new series called Teachers' Attitude and Aptitude. So, before moving on to our new topic, that is social maturity, let us know what we are going to learn. A small summary of this video is we'll understand that education plays an important role in society and we cannot even imagine a life without it. The impact of education on socialization is really important, and education can make a man's completely socialized. Okay, so what is social maturity? Social maturity means knowing what to do and determined for it by the following role models to reach the desired level of an acceptable social behavior. What does this mean is a person should know what to do and how to do, and he should know who is his role model. How can an education helps in social maturity? So let us see with an example. A student should be exposed to those people who are socially matured, so that they can follow his or her behavior. Student can reach the expectation of social system. For example, that a student can reach the expectation of parents, siblings, teachers, and peers who matters to them. Social maturity is needed for the following reasons. 1. For the socialization of an individual. Um, a social life of a person starts from an infant to an adult life. Now, when he was an infant, he was surrounded by the parents, father and mother, and then outgoing membership of an adult, that is family, peer group. As he grows older, the social group of a person increases, and it becomes really uh, important because if a person in this process is growing up, we need to become more and more social, for social maturity is needed. Second point is to decline the egocentristic. Okay, so the second point is to decline egocentristic. What does this mean? Is that a person, he becomes less and less self-centered, or we can say egocentristic. His interests, thought, expressions are increasingly self-centered on less and more on others. The uh, this change is very necessary because the increasing of outer activity, this leads to the social maturity. Third point is to develop self confidence. This is really important because a person can have self confidence in himself, and he can have freedom and much more, which is really important for a person. The fourth point is to develop a social feeling. A person can easily develop social feeling, that is trust, uh, character structure, warm relating to others, empathy, response to others. This is also really important point. And the last point is productivity. Productivity is really important because a person can easily know how to he can achieve a lot in himself. For example, ability to work, or objective, he can try to solve objective problems, or he can have the skills of solving problems, and his interest increases and generally in work. So the productivity is a very important person for the social maturity of a person. Okay, the next topic is social system. Social structure is the basic concept for proper understanding of society. Now, the social system is something that it is an interrelationship between an individuals or a group of people, uh, that forms a whole, and that is called social structure. Now, The types of educations are formal education system and informal education system. Formal education system or formal learning takes place in the premises of school, where a person can learn the basis of academic, trade skills and more. And the is informal education system is that we learn around the surrounding, such as from family, friends, society. That is informal education system. Teacher's role in making the child socially mature. uh, in this, teachers plays an important role. Let us see how. Values are very essential for planning of a good future of a mankind. It is a matter of an experience of a mankind that reacts to human behavior, sometimes with an approval or sometimes disapproval. Society makes a judgment on various kinds of human behavior, that is moral behavior and immoral behavior. The moral behavior are those behavior which are approved by the people, and immoral behaviors are the kind of behavior that is disapproved by the people. An individual should develop a moral behavior. uh, he should know what is good and what is bad, what is right, what is wrong. The consciousness of right and wrong, good or bad, is known as moral values. The moral value development is really important, and the education, that is teachers, helps a child to form a moral value. Important, the important moral values which is need to be developed by the children is honesty in the words, truthfulness, self-control, self-respect and desire to respect others and duty. These are the some important moral values which a teacher helps to develop in children. The next topic is role of teachers in inculcating values. Teachers' education refers to the policies and procedure designed to equip prospective teachers with the knowledge, attitudes, behavior, skills they are required to perform their task effectively. Uh, since we all know that teacher is a role model for students in school, they plays a major role in their ethical behaviors. Sometimes the uh, um, peers in the school, they diffuse a boldness of cheating, lying, stealing. Through through all this, a teacher needs to make some rules and regulations in the educational institutions. The values of education to the children are in informal way. They plays a really a major role in developing ethical behaviors of a children. For example, sometimes teachers involved in many roles. For example, maybe second parents to those students, a social worker, a psychologist, therapist, a simple listener. A teacher is a model for them to follow. Teacher comprises towards the education and try to help those students in the best way they can be. Teachers' education is divided into the following stages. First stages is initial teacher education. That is, uh, before entering into the profession of teachers, the pre-teaching course is being given. That is B.Ed or DLEd. These are the educational teaching courses which a teacher needs to apply for. Induction. Induction is a process in the first few years of a teacher entering into a classroom. She should be fully responsible for the duty of a teacher. uh, Teachers development. Third, a teacher's development in the education should be broken into different curriculum, and that is should be broken into different areas, and teacher should know all the areas very nicely. Fourth is foundation of knowledge of education. A teacher, whichever subject she or he teaches, they should know a detailed knowledge. For example, if a teacher is teaching history, she or he should know, should have a proper education in that particular knowledgeable field. Last is skills in assessing students learning and using technology to improve teaching and learning. A teacher should know all the technology or in ways to improve her or his or her teaching and the learning methods. Next topic is role of teachers, educator in value of education. A teacher is set an high standard. A teacher sets an high standard for the moral behavior of a child. The school plays a very important role in the moral behavior of a child. Education is an all-round development for an individual in their emotional, intellectual, social, moral, spiritual, and physical values. Teacher is expected to function not only in a particular field of knowledge, but she should transfer inner values to the children's. Agency of a child in socialization, that is family, school, religion, peer groups, all this helps a child in the development of a socialization. Education as a social system. uh, Education is a socialization of a younger generation. An important function of an education is socialization. The people have no knowledge about the culture and the society. They have learnt around the society functioning. People learn a great deal from their parents and people in the surrounding, or from the society, friends, and from the society. Through education, the child is able to develop a reason of a social religion, cultures, and become socially efficient. Education is only a part of a socialization, but it is a very important part. uh, okay, so this is the end of the video, and I hope you understood. If there is any queries or any doubt, you can ask that in the comments below. And thank you so much. Please like, share, and subscribe.